Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to download and use Proton VPN for free. So first things first, search Proton VPN on your browser. This is the first thing that you gotta click on. Then you gotta go and click on Get Proton VPN. After clicking on Get Proton VPN, there are a lot of plans they have, like 1 month, 2 month, or 1 year. But for now, we'll be using the free one. So down over here, it's the Get Proton Free. So you gotta click on it, continue with Pro Free. Now, after clicking on it, you'll be directed to create your own account. So for me, I have my own account. So I will just click on sign in. Just a second. So after you have created your account and stuff, you'll be directed to this downloads page. So what you got to do is click on download for Windows. And once you download the application, well, just head back. Just you gotta set up all these things like everyone does, like you did, like you always do for all the apps. And after setting all the things up, you will get an icon. You'll get an icon like this on your desktop screen named as Proton VPN. So what you gotta do is that you just gotta click on it. After clicking out on it, it'll get open. It'll also give you again the sign in stuff. You gotta fill that in. Then after that, you can quick connect your account, your laptop or PC with any of the servers. For I'll just say for free, it's Japan over here, then USA, and then Netherlands. Netherlands, where is it? Yeah, Netherlands. So I'll just show you how it is. See, now I'm in Japan server. If I click on change server, it'll connect to Netherlands. So yeah, this was what I was talking about. It's a free software to use, but you can also connect to all the other countries if you upgrade your plan. So yeah, this was the video. This is how you can get any VPN for free. So yeah, this was the video, and thanks for watching.